today we're going to be doing the second part of the AEM methanol injection process. So today I'm going to be carpeting the bulkhead what I've created. I'm currently repping the Gaijin Auto Club, one of my favourite clubs to be in, to be honest. Brilliant set of people. So let me just show you what I did, what I haven't actually put on video. So I've done this. Oh, nearly broke my side skirt. So this is a battery isolation switch. Let me show you. So currently the light is off, everything is off. If you've just heard that, the lock is just disengaged for the passenger door, everything's on. There you go. The reason I'm going to do that is now I can put the seat forward, so I've got more room to play with. There we go. So I'll be taking this off, that off, and I'll be carpeting it all, ready for the meth kit to come. I'll show you how you do that. It's quite simple. It doesn't have to be that neat on the other side, but on this side it needs to be quite tight and straight and nice. Right, so I'm going to be taking the front part off. This is the first bit. It'll go that one that is connected to that one, and that is connected to the back plate, which is connected to the trim and everything, as you can see there. So it's only held on by these screws. I have got a fire extinguisher what goes here to cover this gap up. I think that's why I've left a gap. Anyway, when we pull this forward though, we have to take the cables off the back of the isolator switch, and then it'll come out. So I'll get my drill and I'll show you what it's like. So I've got my drill, and all we're doing, put it on there, pull them out. Doing it to all of them. As you can see, it's slowly coming away. Put them somewhere safe. I love working with wood, you know. The only thing is, what I've noticed, you know, if I have an issue with the battery, I'm gonna have to get into the top bit and sort it out. It won't be just as easy as going in the engine bay or the boot and sorting it. So I'm kind of messed up there. See, the back's now dropped down, this has come forward. As you can see, that's the battery in there. So that goes to the engine, and this down here goes to the battery positive side. I'll only really have to take one off, but for carpeting and everything I'll have to take two, just so it's all off. So this is the battery tray I've made. It's very sturdy. Yeah, I can't really see. I'll have to show you a bit better later, but all the wiring and everything for the AEM kit is going inside here, so it's hidden. But the pump and everything, I think I want on the outside. The controller about here-ish, below the isolator switch, with an arm switch next to it, you know, pump here maybe. I don't know, but I think the tank's going to have to go in the boot. So without further ado, let's take this off. Let's get cracking with carpeting. Right, so I've laid out my carpet, just black carpet, got it off eBay, quite cheap for the size of it, and there's some more to be rolled out. I'm going to be cutting around it, but leaving a gap so you can turn it over. For example, so you can do this, and then you clip it onto the back there. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then obviously cutting round, cutting the holes out, so you'll never tell. So I think I'm just going to put some, I don't know what you're going to call them on the back, them pins, you know, you just shove them in. I'll put them on, they ain't coming out. So yeah, let's crack on. On the first bit, now I've left these parts quite loose, just because when it goes over it'll look more flush, because at the minute there was a bit of a gap. This will look much more flush and it'll get rid of the gap. Same with the sides, these are quite loose, not a problem, it'll get rid of the gap. So secured this on now. As you can see, I've actually done it with staples all the way around. Alright, so it's on there quite tight, it's quite a good fit. So now to do the rest of it, I'll do the top next and then the back. To do the back I've got to take the battery off, but that's no problem, we'll sort that. Alright, so I've got the other two pieces done. Just put one back in. Currently putting it in, as you can see. I've actually realised I've put the carpet on the wrong way round. I always do this, but it doesn't matter. It gives a nice black finish anyway. You can hardly tell. It's only when you rub your finger up against it or something you can tell. So I'm just putting it all back together. Left bit's a bit loose, so it covers the gaps, but you'll never tell. Battery tray's back on. Just connecting everything up. I'm going to put the top of it on now, and then the side, and then I'll show you what it looks like. It's coming together very, very nicely. I'm looking forward to finishing it. Back on, as you can see, we've got this nice finish of carpet. Everything is on, it's all working correctly. So I've been looking at what I'll be doing, and there's quite a big area here. I was originally going to put the tank there, but it's one of the 5-gallon ones which secures to a floor. And it won't be big enough there, so I might have the fuel pump. The controller there, an arm switch around here as well, and maybe the actual pump as well. So this is what we've got so far. This is part 2 of the AEM methanol kit install. Put my fire extinguisher back. It's coming up quite nicely. It's a nice finish. I'll show you from the back as well. So yeah, I'm going to sort that out. But yeah guys, thank you for joining me. Don't forget, if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, share, show other people what I've been doing. So, no more gaps, that's why I've left it quite floppy, if you want. So guys, thank you for joining me. See you all later. Subscribe, like, share once again. Goodbye.